Here we go, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a new video. Let's jump right in. Very surprised with gold and silver getting slammed down today, but I got the inside scoop. Actually, it's pretty obvious. But first of all, SP 500 took a hit as well. It's about time. It's just been pretty much parabolic here for a long while. And with the pullback, you would have thought gold and silver would have had a little stability, maybe even a pump. But guess what? No, they didn't. Here we go with gold. Uh, all this consolidation through here, we completely lost it all. Okay. And holding this little low pivot here. Bottom line, lose it next week. Next support zone and price target right around the 200, about 43.75. That's our story, and we're sticking to it. Okay, resistance is still going to be up here in this zone. Silver, big sell up. We were doing so good, several days in a row. Now we did come up to previous resistance. Okay, a pivot, 180 V shape pullback. Anyway, really should have gotten just a minor pullback, just to kind of retest this area we'd already been through. Maybe the low 80s would have been good, and then use that resistance here as support as we came down and then bounce. But oh no, that wasn't the plan. Okay, so this red candle took out several days over here and under the 20. Still have an hour to go, so we'll see how we close. But I doubt if they zoom it back up. So powers that be definitely wanted this lower. Now here's the culprit. Okay, let me go to the DXY US dollar currency. Everybody screaming from the rooftops, the dollar's dead. The dollar is not dead. It is strong as, I'm not going to say as strong as it's ever been, but it's a whole lot stronger and more bullish, positive, going to the upside better than right now, better than gold and silver. Now, a bit of this price action, at least today, was because, the SP 500 rolled over. But apparently, a lot of money coming out of gold and silver going into the US dollar. Imagine that, okay? Now, the dollar is dead for all practical purposes regarding inflation, and it's worth less every single hour of the day. But here we are. Okay, previous support here, we lost it and closed under it, and then we started, coming lower, of course. So we're expecting, price action to hit this and possibly get a pullback that may help us, first of next week regarding, gold, silver, so on and so forth. But guys, appreciate you watching. We'll definitely keep an eye on this. This is it was very surprising to me that we got this sort of dump here. Matter of fact, that's going to be our next previous resistance. It's going to be resistance as we turn around here. And proof of that is here after we came down, found support, came back up, resistance, finally broke through it here, okay? So here we go again, a little bit more work for silver. It's, it's not down and out forever. It's just being, the, the key big boy players, the big money, still having influence on it. I mean, there's no two ways about it. We do need to hold this up trend line. I'm just putting that on there for you. But guys, appreciate you watching. Check us out on Patreon. I'll leave the link below. We have a 7-day free trial, 50% off, and we will see you on the charts.